This is Scott from Edwards Workshop, and in this video we're going to be transforming this old Pittsburgh Vise, drill press vise, to its original glory. You're not going to want to miss it. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, this is a vise for a drill press. So this is actually pretty easy. It's self-explanatory almost. You take these two little bolts off the backside of the vise. What this is going to do is it's going to take off the jaw that moves back and forth to clamp stuff in the vise. Once you take those two bolts out, this spinny deal is going to pull right out of it. And then these two screws right here, you pull those off, and those are going to be your actual metal, I guess you would call them teeth, for the vise. And same thing for the other side. This was an old vise that my dad had given me, so I wanted to bring it back to its original glory. So in this shot right here, I didn't get a chance to show you guys the grinding process. My phone holder fell apart, so I just went ahead and did polish them up, ran them through the grinder with a wire wheel, and just cleaned everything up. So right here, what you want to do is after you grind them and you sand some of the original paint off, you want to go ahead and hit it with some acetone before you start spraying it. And I am going kind of with that same green paint. This is a drill press vise, so I know it's going to get beat up. Pretty beat up over time. A little bit of paint won't hurt nothing. Give it a little facelift. That's about it. Now also, when you're painting something like this, you want to give it a good tack coat first. You don't want to go heavy at first, because you're going to get a lot of drips and runs if you put it on too heavy. So do your first coat, wait about maybe 5 minutes, and then go back and do a second coat, and just make sure everything gets coated. Well, there it is. It's all painted. It's dried. Now it's just a matter of putting it back together the way you took it apart. You'll see in a little bit where the jaw gets stuck a little bit, so I went to go get some oil. Make sure you oil your things up, or your pieces up pretty good. I just rubbed it on with a rag and made sure it slid back and forth, and that's about it. But yeah, like I said, it's just a matter of putting it back together the way you took it apart, and that's about it. Now here are the before and after photos of what it looked like. Now, whatever you guys want to see me restore or try to restore, please leave a comment below. And on your way out, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching, guys.